Well, I'm the head of the United Nations Environment Program. That's a program of the United Nations that deals with all things environmental, and one of the things we deal with is smart, clever, sustainable production, hoping that that will lead to smart, clever and sustainable consumption. And part of why we're here is at this particular company, K-Way, is because they're doing unique and interesting things. Not only are they producing with sustainability as a measure, environmental dimensions of sustainability, but they're also looking at poverty reduction, training up people, creating jobs, creating opportunities for families as well as obviously for the workers.
Over the last 4 years, we've grown our total manufacturing base from 313 people to just over 700 people. And for every job that we create in South Africa, 8 people have a better livelihood in this economy.
We are the co-implementing partners for the InTex project, which is then the other implementing partners is the National Cleaner Production Centre for South Africa. There are 3 countries involved in this project, which is South Africa, Kenya and Tunisia. In South Africa, we are working with companies such as Green Thread and Cape Union Mart, and including the K-Way Group. They are then looking at 2 implementing projects which are focused on life cycle improvements and life cycle thinking, and also trying to look at circular business models.
What the project aims to do is to support companies in the textile sector, specifically SMEs, for them to adopt the concept of eco-innovation as it was developed by UN Environment, and to also adopt product environmental footprint as a process to identify the sustainability hotspots within a specific product or process that they implement or that they develop. The aim of the project is to build capacity on how to use eco-innovation as a process within your business, and also to build capacity on how to conduct life cycle assessment using the product environmental footprint.
After having visited the factory and the production line, I found particularly inspiring is that, you know, when you're cutting for clothing, there are some side cuts that cannot be used. But these just don't go into the landfill here. What they're using them for is cushion fillers, carpets, all kinds of other things. So that kind of consciousness around production is something that we are hoping that more and more companies will use. Because let's face it, that waste that we have does not just go away the moment it leaves our homes, our factories, or wherever it is that the waste was created. It goes into a landfill. But if we can use it as a product, not only do we earn money, but also do we minimize waste. So these are some of the things that we've seen on this visit in this factory, but also the kind of things that we would like to see emulated across the world.